So here's a StrongSuit homepage, and we're going to be going over the Matter portal today. Now this is a section where you can actually just organize all of your case files and your case matters. How does it work? If I go over here on the left-hand side, you'll see the Matter portal, and you'll click on this button over here. You'll then be taken over to the actual Matter portal. The first thing you'll do with any new matter is you're going to go ahead and click Start New Matter. And then this form is going to pop up. You're going to give it the matter title, a description, brief background information as well. And then you're going to let our tool know whether it's the plaintiff or the defendant or both parties that you'll be representing. You'll then hit Submit. Your matter is then created, as it is over here. Gives you the matter name, description, party role, like we just implemented. And then you can edit this matter, or you can manage the matter accordingly. So maybe, for example, you want to do some research and drafting on this matter, or you want to use our AI assistant, or even you want to use AI discovery. You can go ahead and do that. Maybe you don't know where to start, but you have previous matters that are in our tool that are over here, and you'll be able to see what past tasks were used for this matter as well. So once I create the matter, that's fantastic. And maybe I'm going through the workflows somewhere in the StrongSuit platform, and I have tasks, and those tasks aren't necessarily mapped to a particular matter. If I scroll down further, you'll see we actually track that as well, where we have a section called unmapped tasks. We highlight which module or workflow that you used, a description of the matter that took place, and some other ancillary information. We then give you the ability to go ahead and map that task to a particular matter over here. And as a result, when you go back to the home page and you go to prior tasks, you'll be able to find your prior tasks that are actually connected to a particular matter here. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Thanks.